Welcome to Julie Jules' World, guys. I'm back. Just reintroducing my channel again to you guys, and letting you guys know that I'm coming back with some fresh new ideas. It's fresh new DIY projects, fun things, and I'm just excited about this, guys. I'm gonna do a lot of projects around the house. Whatever falls in my creativity mind, we're gonna do it. And especially with the holidays coming up, you know, you got Thanksgiving and Christmas. I'm excited about those two holidays, especially Christmas, my favorite time of the year. New recipes, we're gonna have new DIY projects, just different things. But honestly, I really don't like to be boxed in when it comes to my creativity. I like to venture off. I like to do new things, to be creative in every area. And so that's what I want to do for you guys. I'm bringing you guys some new DIY projects and everything. So I'm excited. I can't wait to take you guys on this journey with me. I'm looking forward to this. I hope you guys are looking forward to it too. And I'm excited to be back, guys. So just, you guys stay tuned. Just probably give you tours of my, different places in my home. You're just gonna have fun. You're just gonna enjoy it, guys. Easy, simple, and fun. That's it. Just that simple. And like I said, this time I'm gonna do most talking, guys. So this time I'm gonna definitely talk you guys through a lot of my DIY projects. So yes, so this time I want to kind of switch that around a little bit and just be on the camera a little bit more and talking a little bit more, communicating with you, engage with you guys a little bit more. So I'm looking forward to that. So yes, definitely. This is just a reintroduction to Julie Jules' World, my upcoming DIY videos that I can't wait to share with you guys. So just stay tuned, guys. I'm excited, okay? Bye, guys.